Hey you guys, it's Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you my evening routine that's going to have you smelling good all day long. This is an evening routine that's going to make you smell good from during sleeping to while you're out and about in the morning. So this is what I do. This week I have a silk press, so I'm wrapping my hair and I'm just wrapping it real good. I don't want to, get my hair wet right now. I literally just got the silk press a few days ago, so I want to, preserve it and wrap it up really, really well. So I'm putting on my nets. I'm going to be searching for different nets because this one isn't like fitted like how I want it to be fitted on my little acorn head. So I'm going to put that net on. Then I'm going to go in with my silk scarf. So yeah, the net is giving me problems. One of my favorite silk scarves. I just love this design. I found this at my favorite thrift shop out in Palm Springs. Every time I get a chance, I just went to Palm Springs last week, but I dredged going out there. Now my shower cap, yes, I gotta do the most when I have a silk press. So putting on my shower cap and then another shower cap. Yes, I know, but when you got a silk press, you got to make sure no steam hits it or no water hits it, or it will, go back into its natural curly state, or just, stribble up. We don't want that. So in the shower, I'm going to be lighting my Sephora Refresh candle. This smells so refreshing, like a brand new day. So with the base soap, we're going to start off with the Dow Antibacterial White Bar Soap, you guys. This soap just smells so good. It just reminds me of, when I remember being young, my dad washing me up in the tub, cleaning out my little dirty fingernails because I was a tomboy. So, and this washcloth is like the thin one that I got from Walmart. This one has a little abrasion to it. This is what you need, I'm trying to tell you. So you want to start by soaking your body up. Yes, get it wet first because we can't scrub soap on dry skin. So if any of you are wondering what shower head I'm using, this is actually a new attachment to my shower. This is the Speakman brand, and this setting that is on right now is like my favorite setting. It's like a soft pressure mist. It's like coming right out the middle of the shower head, you guys. I'm obsessed with this setting. I just love how it feels. It feels like a misty, warm steam. And yes, if you could, I found this shower head at Ross actually, but might find this brand online as well. It's called Speakman. So now that I'm all rinsed off, I'm going to go in with my soap. And this is another key ingredient, you guys. This is a new fresh week. So I'm getting it in with the HIPAA cleanse mixed with the Dow, you guys. The HIPAA cleanse is a chlorhexidine, is a skin cleanser. This is used prior to going into surgery. I have been using this recently for like the past few months, and I can't say bad things about it. It really gets me clean. So I just be mindful not to overdo it with the HIPAA cleanse, but it does a great job with getting rid of odor, bacteria on the skin, and keeping you nice and like fresh for the day. So this mixed with the Dow white soap as the base is just top tier, you guys. And you just want to give your body a good rinse. If you don't know, now you know. You guys, when using HIPAA cleanse, I want to give you a full warning on where not to use HIPAA cleanse. Be
very, very careful. If you want to try HIPAA cleanse,
I only use it for my underarm area and for my body. But be very, very careful not to use it around your eyes, ears, mouth, anus, or genitals. This is a warning. If you want to smell good with using HIPAA cleanse, it kills bacteria on contact. So it's good for using before surgery, and that's it. So at home use, you want to use it on your body only, as if you're washing your body, as you're going into a surgery, C-section, or any surgery that pertains you to use HIPAA cleanse. But do not use this on your private parts. I'll be using something for my private parts later. That's the HIPAA cleanse again, to let you know how to smell good down there all day as well. See, I use the HIPAA cleanse under my arms. This stuff kills bacteria on the spot. So I'm just giving you guys a full
Warning, do not use this on your butt or your coochie area.
Next, I'll be shaving my underarms using the Venus 3-in-1 pubic hair and skin shaving cream slash wash. I could tell you, I have not used this in my downstairs area, but it has no scent. It gives me like the Equate feminine wash that I use vibe. So I really haven't tried it, but yeah, I just haven't tried it down there to give you a good answer. But it's really good for my sensitive underarms. So even though I don't have no hair here, I have little prickly stubs that I just keep down, so I'm shaving using my Venus razor as well. And yes, this is really smooth on my skin, you guys. I really like this shaving gel, and it's about to be gone finally. It's literally lasted me so long. I don't know how people go through stuff so fast, but I barely have hair growing on my body, so that's probably why. So that's a part of smelling great all day. Shave your underarms. So I'll be using I got a new face wash, you guys, the Natrium. I've been using it for my evening skin routine, and I seen that Eucerin had a face wash, and I was intrigued because literally it feels just like the Natrium. It has like a silky soft feeling. It actually feels exactly the same. They both have hyaluronic acid in it. So I was just like, I'm gonna use the Eucerin tonight to see how it works on me, you guys. I'm not gonna brag about it too much, but I really like exactly how it feels, just like the Natrium. That I already bought the Natrium face wash like 3 times, and this is just another backup one. I was already thinking about, should I get that same cleanser? So it's really good. And I'll be using this Acos, you guys. This is exfoliating body shower gel that I got from Nordstrom's rack. Look at the grains in it. It's so beautiful, you guys. This smells so good. I put enough in my hands to go over my whole body. This really like cleans the skin, and it really like dissolves the skin cells, the dead skin cells on the body. This is a clean product. That's what I've been gravitating towards a lot, is clean products. I scanned this on my Yuka app. It's great. The Dow, I scanned it on my Yuka app. It's great as well. So I'm really being mindful of what I use, the Dove that I'll be using. And you guys, this just makes my skin feel so smooth, smells so good. And I just like, yeah, exfoliate them elbows because they just be on them armrests and stuff, you know. And I just give myself a rinse, and that's pretty much all my body care for the week. This is a starting week, so I do like the whole 9 yards. And you guys, start your week, exfoliate your body, shave your arms, and just how you start the week off with everything you need done. My skin feels so soft, you guys. It's just becoming more glowy and beautiful with the cleaner products that I use. So just be mindful of what you're using, you guys. For my downstairs area, I use the Dove Sensitive Skin Bar. You guys know I have been using the Equate fragrance-free, dye-free for so long. I get it from Walmart. Then something said try the Dove, and once I tried it, it's another body wash. I mean, feminine wash for me to use because it doesn't cause any irritation. It keeps me fresh all day. So if you haven't tried the Dove Sensitive Bar Soap, try it out now. For my skincare, I'll be using a snail serum after my face wash. I've been liking this snail serum. I've been giving it a try. It helps with hydration of my skin. So I applied that and I really like this. I got it from TJ Maxx, and I'll go in with my azelaic acid face lotion that's going to keep my skin really smooth, get rid of the dark marks, and keep the acne away. And I must say, I really like this azelaic acid. I got so many products with it in because I had some dark marks and my dark marks is really fading. And you guys know about the La Roche thermal water. I had that like years ago, but I picked up this Vichy. You guys, this one is really good. I really like this. It is a thermal mineral water and it does my face good. And I found a Vichy deodorant, you guys. 19.99, really expensive, but it smells amazing. I said I'm gonna try this out, and when I tell you, you're gonna be fresh all day. I think it has the crystal deodorant beat because I have so many crystals, and I'm just like shocked by this Vichy, really blowing me away. I smell exactly how the deodorant smell several hours later until the next night. Like the whole day I smell great. So just taking off my shower caps, let my hair breathe. About to lotion my body with this beautiful jasmine body lotion. It goes on smooth. A little goes a long way. Even the bottle is small, but a little goes a long way. It's just like stretches out into a thin consistency, but moisturizing at the same time. Let alone it has a beautiful jasmine scent to it, you guys. I had bought a lavender vanilla one. I had to go back and get another one, and I picked up the jasmine. They both smell beautiful. I just love lotioning my body using the Saban Natural 7 Essential Oil body lotion. It is just so good. It's excellent on the Yuka app. Nice clean product going on the skin. I can't complain. I'm loving it. And just look at my skin. It's just so soft. Like I don't usually like to be sitting here applying lotion this long. It just puts you in a zone, just how great it smells and how smooth it goes on the body. So I'm gonna do the same thing and lotion my legs and get those things nice and lotioned and oiled up. Yes, ma'am.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
know everybody say get Skims, but I'm gonna tell you get Targets because this set is so soft and so comfortable and so cute, you guys. It's the gray one. They have black, they have blue, they have pink, and yes, get you that. And I'm going in with one of my favorite nighttime perfumes, the Latte Coco. I'm trying to tell you, I feel so good right now. I smell so good. I look so good. Look at me. Yes, I have been working out doing squats, baby. I'm trying to get in shape, so trying to be disciplined. And I'm gonna go in with my Burt's Bees. I've been in love with my yes lip serum, hydrating lip serum, you guys. We need to hydrate them lips, keep them hydrated, you know. Looks so good. I love the sheen on the Burt's Bees. This is a clean lip product, you guys. And you guys, this routine was everything. Like, I feel so good, smells so good, and I just want to give you guys kisses and try this routine out. If you can get everything I use, you'll understand what I'm saying about this routine. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.